guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with another recipe vlog, and you're gonna love the cookies I baked today. It is vanilla cookies, it's buttery, and it's so simple to make, so simple to prepare, and yet the result is just so nice. It's almost like a shortbread, but it's kind of different in the sense that when it's shortbread you need to whip the or cream or beat the butter, while this one, no, you don't need any of those electric mixer and whatnot, just your hands. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye. So for the dry ingredients, this is 1 2/3 cup of enriched flour with 3/4 cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon baking powder, and a generous pinch of fine sea salt. We're just gonna mix it and set it to side for now. Now cut in 1/2 cup of unsalted butter and just mix it with a fork or even sorry, pastry blender, and you want to resemble fine crumbs like so, and then we make a well in the center. Now add 8 tablespoons of liquid whole egg and 3/4 cup of sugar. Now we're gonna add Mexican vanilla blend, about 1 teaspoon, and also a drop or 2 of butter flavor. Now we're just gonna mix it. You can use spatula, you can use your hand, it's up to you, but it's gonna be a dough. So just keep mixing it until it forms a dough. Once it becomes a dough, we're gonna wrap it and form it into a disc. Wrap it in cling wrap, and we're gonna chill it for ½ hour, like so. After ½ hour, unwrap, take out from the fridge, unwrap, and we're gonna roll it flat and then cut it with cookie cutter. Roll it between 2 parchment paper, and then we're gonna cut it with cookie cutter. You may be able to hear my cats just being crazy here and there. You can use any cookie cutter you like, round shape, triangle shape, star shape, whatever you like. Just leave and re-roll and mold again, or cut with the cookie cutter. So you're gonna need a small spatula or anything that thin spoon to lift up the cut cookie, because the dough is delicate. Now poke holes everywhere with fork. Gonna bake it at preheated 375 Fahrenheit for 10 to 15 minutes.